The A5 is no longer just a coupe, it's now a sleek fastback sedan, replacing the aging A4. But here's the real shocker. Audi is bringing a plug-in hybrid version, and it's packing some serious power. Will this be the perfect balance of performance and efficiency? And more importantly, is it coming to the US? Let's break it all down. Real quick, tons of people watch videos but forget to hit like. If you love car content, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out. Audi is launching two versions of the A5 plug-in hybrid, one with 295 horsepower and another pushing 362 horsepower. Both run a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder paired with an electric motor built into a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The stronger version delivers 368 pound-feet of torque and rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. The lesser model isn't far behind, doing the sprint in 5.9 seconds. Both top out at 155 miles per hour. Not bad for a hybrid, right? The new high-voltage battery is a game-changer. It has 45% more capacity than Audi's previous VHAVs, yet it barely takes up more space. How? Instead of traditional battery modules, Audi glues the cells directly into the housing for better energy density. Audi claims up to 68 miles on the WLTP test cycle, but in the US, that'll probably be closer to 57 miles. Charging is faster too. 11 kilowatt AC charging, up from 7.4 kilowatts, means a full charge in just 2.5 hours. Audi has boosted Regen braking, and now you can control it using paddles behind the steering wheel. Plus, the A5 automatically adjusts Regen based on navigation data and traffic conditions. Pretty smart, right? The A5 PHEV gives you two driving modes. EV mode, all-electric driving, limited to 87 miles per hour. Hybrid mode, you can choose how much charge you want to keep in reserve. Audi is introducing a new name, e-hybrid, to set these plug-in models apart from the full electric e-tron lineup. And in Europe, they'll even get a wagon version, base A5 e-hybrid, around $67,000. More powerful variant, roughly $76,000. Audi hasn't confirmed if the A5 e-hybrid is coming stateside, Sudbury. But with the regular A5 launching in mid-2025, the PHEV probably won't arrive until 2026, if we even get it at all. Would you take the A5 e-hybrid over a full EV? Drop a comment below. And if you made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe. More awesome car content coming soon. Stay tuned. Until next time.